this video, I'm going to show you how you could send money using Xoom. Xoom is basically an app for PayPal. PayPal powers it. As you can see, a PayPal service. It's basically like you could, you're gonna have to log in with your PayPal, as you could see right there. And once you log in, you can press send money, select a country/region. Xoom is basically something that you could like send money to other countries with very easily, way easier than PayPal. And yeah, just select the country. And boom, just like that, it shows fees for bank deposits. So yeah, it does have fees. And yeah, press next, press all this information. And once you press next, this is the account information you're sending it to. So your like friend's account information. So you put in your friend's account information, you ask them for it. Make sure it's right, and then once you do that, press next, and then you could either pay using your PayPal balance or credit card. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.